Welcome to lesson 11. Today we're going to talk about when we use have and do and go and play. We use have for possession. So if you have something, I have a computer, I have a big car, I have two sisters. You also use it for meals. So I have dinner, breakfast, lunch. We also, for events, we have fun, we have a good time. And also for pain, aches and pains in your body, you can say, I have a headache, I have a sore leg. Right. So let's start at the top. I have a new car. You have dinner at 6 p.m. We have fun. They have a headache. For he and she and it, we must use the S. He has a big house. She has breakfast before work. It has a good time. Do we use for things that we don't really like to do, but they have to be done. Like I do the dishes. In English, that means I wash the dishes. You do the housework. We do homework, or they do homework. And he does, there's your S, he does the washing. She does the cleaning. It does the ironing. We use go when we go to a place. So we go to a location. I go to school. I go to Australia, right? We also use it for something we enjoy. You say, we go for lunch. They go for a swim. So for I and you and we and they, don't change go, no S. But for he and she and it, you put the S on go. So it's goes. He goes to the shop. She goes for a walk. It goes on holiday. Now the last one is play. So we use it for sport and also games and also for musical instruments. So I play sport, you play football, we play bingo, bingo is a game, they play the piano. And for he and she and it, again the S, he plays tennis, she plays cards, it plays the guitar. Good job. Let's practice. So we have, do, go, and play, and you need to choose the correct option. So I have breakfast, or I do breakfast, or I go breakfast, or I play breakfast. I have breakfast. He, the guitar. He has, now you have your S, has, or does, or goes, or plays. And the answer is he plays the guitar. Now you can do these ones. Yes, Ali has two brothers. They play football on Sundays. She has a headache, and you say it like a K. Headache, headache. We go to our office at 8 a.m. Now remember, we don't like to do this. We do the housework. Nice job. Well done. So next time we're going to see you to talk about family. After all, family is everything. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.